Welcome to this tutorial on conditional formatting in Excel. In this video, I will show you how to automatically highlight cells based on their content. For example, when I type blue, the cell is highlighted in blue. Similarly, typing green highlights the cell in green, and orange highlights it in orange. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to achieve this effect efficiently using formulas in Excel. Let's get started. First, let's look at the manual method of applying conditional formatting. To do this, we go to the Conditional Formatting menu, select Text that contains, and then specify the text, such as blue, and apply the formatting. While this method works, it can be time-consuming, especially if you have multiple values to format. Imagine doing this for a long list of colors. It's not efficient. That's why we'll use a formula-based approach to make this process faster and more dynamic. Now let's dive into the formula that we'll use to simplify this process. I'll write the formula step by step in cell D3. First, we want to extract all the unique values from the range B3 to B17. To do this, we'll use the unique function. This function will create a list of distinct colors such as blue, green, and orange. Next, we need to pick a specific value from this unique list. For that, we'll use the index function. The index function allows us to select a value from a list based on its position. If you're looking for a basic understanding of the index function, check out my previous videos linked in the description below. Here, the number 1 tells the formula to pick the first unique value, which is blue. Finally, we want to check if the value in the current cell, B3, matches the first unique value, blue. This formula will return true if the value in B3 matches blue and false otherwise. Let's drag this formula down to see the results for all the cells in column B. As you can see, the formula returns true for cells containing blue and false for all others. This true or false output is what we'll use to apply conditional formatting. Let me take the unique value again in column C, so that it will be easier for me to explain further. Okay. Next, in column E, for the green color, I just copied the previous formula and changed the row number to 2. The formula will pick the second unique value from the list, which returned me false. Now drag the formula down this formula. Similarly, I did for column F as well. Now, if we use this formula in conditional formatting, when the formula returned true, it will apply the conditional formatting, else the conditional formula looks for the next true value, and so on. Now let's use this formula in conditional formatting. First, select the range of cells where you want to apply the formatting, in this case B3 to B17. Go to the Conditional Formatting menu and select New Rule. Choose the option Use a formula to determine which cells to format. In the formula box, I'll paste the formula where I copied before. This formula checks if the value in the cell matches the first unique value, blue. Next, I'll click on the Format button, choose a blue fill color, and click OK. To apply formatting for the other colors, I'll copy the conditional formatting rule, go back to the formula, and change the row number in the index function. For example, to format cells containing green, I'll change the row number in the formula to then 2, and I'll set the fill color to green. Additionally, I'll change the font color to white to improve visibility against the highlighted background. Once you've made these changes, click OK to apply the condition. Similarly, for orange, I'll change the formula to and set the fill color to orange. By doing this, we can dynamically highlight cells based on their content without manually creating multiple rules for each value. And that's it. You've now learned how to use formulas in conditional formatting to dynamically highlight cells based on their content. If you want to extend the conditional formatting to additional ranges, first select the cell with the existing conditional formatting. Then, click on the Format Painter ability. Next, click and drag over the cells where you want to apply the same formatting. The conditional formatting will be instantly applied to the new range just like the original. This method is not only efficient, but also scalable for larger datasets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.